Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Sienna headlight assembly. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct new headlight assembly for your vehicle. For safety, always begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now, let's get that old headlight out. You'll typically find 2 to 3 bolts holding the assembly in place. Remove these carefully. Once the bolts are out, gently disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the back of the old unit. With everything unfastened, carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting position. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components. With the old unit removed, it's time for the new one. First, carefully connect all the electrical wiring to your new headlight assembly. Make sure each connection is secure. Next, slide the new assembly into its housing, ensuring it sits perfectly flush with the vehicle's body. Finally, reinsert and tighten the bolts you removed earlier to firmly secure the new headlight in place. Double-check for a snug fit. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Now, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight. Check both the low beams and high beams to ensure they are functioning correctly and properly aimed. This is a crucial step for safety. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.